Tonight, candidate number one, kamusta yung feeling mo together with all these supporters of yours?
I'm fine. I feel beautiful tonight, and I would like to thank my parents out there for their unwavering support, and to my friends, your efforts are highly appreciated.
Thank you so much. Are you ready for your question?
Yes.
Okay, so if you're ready, we'd like to request our Secretary of the Sangguniang Kabataan to please hand in our questions to candidate number one. Just pick your question, candidate number one. Okay, I will read to you the question twice while showing your question. How can the younger generation inspire positive change in the community while maintaining respect for our tradition? Again, how can the younger generation inspire positive change in the community while maintaining respect for our traditions?
Thank you. I believe that joining pageant community means embracing confidence and empowerment. And I believe that joining pageant embracing confidence and empowerment. And if I could win tonight, I will use my voice to uphold one another and create an environment where everyone can shine. And as a role model, I will implement integrity, responsibility, and perseverance are the key values to everyone that we need to instill to the younger generation. Dahil nga, sinabi ng ating pambansang bayani na ang kabataan ay pag-asa ng bayan. And I thank you!
Who is right here, my friends, my classmates, and my schoolmates, 12 Jacinto students. I'd like to thank them for all their encouragement and support. Because of them, I was able to stand here right in front of you today. And of course, I'd like to thank God for His grace and gift that I can stand here. And Kuya Charles, and for making me feel and look beautiful today.
Thank you so much. So are you ready to answer your question?
Yes, of course.
Okay, you come prepared. That is out now. And pick your question from these choices that we have. Okay. As a role model, what values do you believe are most important to instill in the younger generation? Again, as a role model, what values do you believe are most important to instill in the younger generation?
Thank you for that breathtaking question. Well, we live in a world where injustice is still evident and challenges always face upon us. Thus, I believe as a role model who embody grace, poise, and integrity, the younger generation should instill these values with resilience and of course a willingness to stand up for what is right, because the younger generation is the hope of our future. And I thank
you. My confidence comes through all my friends, my family, and everyone who has ever supported me. I thank you so much, and I love you all.
Well, indeed, a heartfelt message to your supporters. Are you ready to answer your question tonight?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, indeed, ladies and gentlemen. I have our secretaries who handed out questions. Pick one of these questions and let's read this question twice. And your question goes like this. In your opinion, how important is environmental awareness, and what can the youth do to help protect and preserve our environment? Again, in your opinion, how important is environmental awareness, and what can the youth do to help protect and preserve our environment?
Thank you for the question. Environmental awareness is a very important thing. We all live in this world, so we need to maintain a healthy environment for us to live in. It is important for the youth to help and protect and preserve our environment because the youth are the future leaders. We hold a brighter tomorrow, and it is very important for all of us to make sure we are taking care and being humble to our world. Thank you.
Line candidate number 4, may gusto ka bang sabihin sa mga sumusuporta sa'yo ngayon?
I want to say to the people who came here for supporting me that thank you very much.
Ayan. So are you ready in situations where people disagree with your ideas or beliefs? How do you handle situations where people disagree with your ideas or beliefs?
Thank you for this wonderful question. So the question is, how do you handle situation where people disagree with your ideas? So I respect their decision because they know how they know what is right, and I thank you.
You stand here confident and standing here in this very stage, you already are a winner tonight. So congratulations. So any message you wish to share, mga gusto mong sabihin sa mga sumusupport?
My friends and also my handler, thank you so much. Being part of this committee means to you, and how do you plan contribute to each group?
Nalibog na ako, guys.
Being part of this community as a family values contribution. I plan to the youth can help
Sorry, guys. Karoon ako naka-live.
can help participate in acting in our community. And I thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number, well, candidate number 6, how are you tonight? How does, or what do you feel in terms of your emotions, your feelings, and any message you wish to share to all your supporters out there?
I'm glad to be here again, stimulating my sympathetic nervous system.
Wow. Okay, so do you have any message to your supporters or to your family members? It's your chance to deliver that message to everyone.
I would like to thank my family, friends, and relatives who are here to support me.
You take to stay motivated and help others stay positive, especially during tough times. Again, what steps do you take to stay motivated and help others stay positive, especially during tough times?
Thank you for that as-roll question. Inner beauty, strength, and compassion are the true crown of a queen. My journey isn't just about appearance. It's about to use my voice to champion a crucial issues just like HIV awareness, depression support, and community safety. This anniversary is not just a celebration, but it's a call to action. It's a chance to inspire a sustainable growth and a sustainable empowerment of the youth of a barangay poblacion to build a brighter future where beauty and justice intertwine. If I were given a chance, I would create a program focusing on digital literacy and entrepreneurship, equipping a youth to have the thrive in this modern world, while upholding
Wala na.
and let us not just celebrate, let us forge the future where everyone individuals shines, empowered and unafraid, because true beauty is not just seen, it is inspired. It's not just admired, it is act upon. It is not just celebrate, it is champion. Together, let us celebrate a lasting legacy of hope and positive change. Thank you.
Okay, your question from Sir Kevin. Your question is, if you were given the chance to create a program that helps the youth in our barangay, what would it be and why? Again, if you were given the chance to create a program that helps the youth in our barangay, what would it be and why?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If I were given a chance to create a program that helps the youth in our barangay, it will be the Youth Skills Development Program. Because in this way, I can help them to improve themselves, like boosting their confidence. With this, I can help the youth to develop their talents and skills so that we can all work together to have a better barangay poblasyon. That's all. Thank you.
And sa mga SK chairman na kauban ni Hart, SK chairman sa Malingin, Tabbangi, Dimapako, and of course, sa atong SK chairman sa poblasyon, together with her SK Kagawas, sa katauhan diri sa barangay poblasyon, maayong gabi. Gikan ko sa barangay poblasyon, usa ko nahimong konsihal sa tuang lungsod. Ang barangay poblasyon, gituring na nako nga kapamilya, kapuso, kapatid. Abri ang amuang balay kanunay sa pagtabang sa mga taong nangailangan sa kuang tabang. And sa tuang candidates, mga gwapa kaayo, nalibog ko, sige big humunganay ni Konsihal Nikki. Mga gwapa lagi kay sila, no? Ang libungan, especially ang barangay poblasyon, Lano Beauties. Matuo ka Konsihal Asigan? Okay, yun, kay Ubyang isuon na mag-turnover. To all candidates, just being here in this stage, you are all winners already. And sa tanang mga kandidata nga naadi ni karon, dagdagan namo ni Konsihal Nikki ang inyong papremyo. Daghan man gud nag-chat o nag-text sa mga nga magpa-sponsor og gown. So wala may gi-replyan kay gusto namo ni Konsihal Nikki o ni Konsihal Asigan nga hatagan na lang tanan. So dili na nako kason, nagapaghinaot ko nga ang atong panag-uban, magdugay o magpadayon pa. Maayong gabi and daghang salamat.